This video will cover the chapter 3, defining and designing the work, and the chapter 4, human resource planning, recruitment, and selection of the 4th Canadian edition of the Essentials of Managing Human Resources book. It will relate the information of the textbook to the reality of L.L. Bean Incorporated Company. L.L. Bean has been founded in 1912 by Leon Leonwood Bean. This company is rooted in tradition and is still family owned. It's important to know that this company is built on the principle of innovation, integrity, service, and respect. Because the founder once said, "Sell good merchandise at a reasonable profit, treat your customers like human beings, and they will always come back for more." Also, one of the L.L. Bean traditions is to attract quality people and use their talents to help make this company greater. As a result, the employees shine and they contribute in a meaningful way that is rewarding to them. This way, it builds a work environment where ideas are shared, diversity are respected, and people have opportunities to develop and achieve their personal goal. As we can see in the textbook at page 100 of the chapter 3, the job description includes 4 parts. The job title, which is the indication of what the duty might be or the nature of the work. The summary of job, which is 2 or 3 sentences describing the overall purpose of the job. The list of duties and responsibilities, which are statements of the key duties and responsibilities. Finally, the job specifications, which are statements of the needed knowledge, skills, and abilities or competencies of the person who is to perform the work. It may sound surprising, but L.L. Bean used the same job description, as you can observe on their website by clicking on Search, then select Outlet Store Manager to see an example of a real job description in a company. We can observe the 4 steps of the job description theory by starting with the job title. Here. After, for the summary of the job, on the website it's called Overview. Then, the responsibilities and health and safety requirement, or for the list of duties and responsibilities. And for the last one, the job specification. On the website, it's called qualification. After, L.L. Bean shares the same definition of the selection process as the one used in the textbook. This definition is to get the right person with the right skills at the right time in the right job. But this company encouraged their applicant to send their resume through their website, and then they will receive an email confirmation to inform you that the company has received your application. For a year-round positions, If the company is interested by your resume, they will do an interview in person. It may look like the theory by now, but the applicant will pass series of individual interviews, and then they will be chosen to work for LL Bean Company. So, the employee will never be exposed to a test. Finally, the theory has a major impact on this company because the reality is inspired of the theory. So, as long as theory is taught in our school, the more chance we have to become good employer.